In this video, we will be replacing the rear shock absorbers on this Jeep Wrangler 2013. Let's start by taking a look at what's included in the box. A pair of rear shock absorbers, the brand brochure, a safety instruction sheet and brand logo sticker. Let's start by taking a look at the tools required for replacing the rear shock absorbers on the Jeep Wrangler with a 3.5-inch lift kit. You will need a 1/2-inch impact wrench, an 18mm wrench, a large 18mm long socket, a large 16mm long socket, a 1/2-inch short extension, a 1/2-inch torque wrench. You will need to use a transmission jack for assistance during the installation process. Lift the vehicle and use a transmission jack to support the rear axle. Using an 18mm wrench, a large 18mm long socket, and a large short extension with an impact trench to remove the lower shock absorber mounting bolt. Remove the nut, remove the bolt. Next, use a large 16mm long socket and a large short extension with an impact wrench to remove the upper shock absorber mounting bolt. Remove the bolt. Remove the bolt. Remove the old shock absorber. This time, we will be performing a vehicle lift modification. The original 3-inch rear shock absorbers need to be replaced with 3.5-inch rear shocks. You need to paired with 3.5-inch rear springs. The 3.5-inch rear springs have already been installed in this process. Insert the rear shock absorber. You need to install the 2 upper mounting bolts of the rear shock absorber and continue threading them in. Use a large 16mm deep socket and a large short extension with an impact wrench to tighten the upper mounting bolts of the rear shock absorber. Then use a transmission jack to raise the rear axle until it reaches the shock absorber mounting hole position. After aligning the holes, insert the mounting bolt and install the nut. Then slowly lower the transmission jack. Next, use an 18mm wrench together with a large 18mm long socket and a torque wrench to torque the lower mounting bolt of the rear shock absorber to 76 Newton-meters, 56 foot-pounds. Then use a large 16mm long socket and a large short extension with a torque wrench to torque the upper mounting bolts of the rear shock absorber to 50 Newton-meters, 37 foot-pounds. Lower the vehicle back to the ground.